Well, good morning, guys. Good morning, good evening, good day, everyone. What's up? What's up, everyone? Ha 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 ha. How do you feel, great community? Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh, look at that. All the way to 921 on this pump. Ooh. 569, 921. Let's go, guys. It's gonna be a hell of a day. Thank you so much for joining. Hello. Hell of a day. Make sure to invite everyone on board. Like the video, guys. Let's just go ahead and invite everyone on board. Make sure you want to do the same thing. You'd like to invite all the community members, all the fellas. We are live. All the trading groups, friends, Discord, Telegram, WhatsApp, pretty much everywhere. Hey, we are live. And we're doing 300k in giveaways. 300k. Let's go, Maddie. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations. $900s. You know what happened on the CPI? Lower than expected on the core CPI. Core CPI month to month is lower than expected. The core CPI year to year are lower than expected. A market is ripping. Oh my gosh. I bet you didn't expect it, guys, to see a pump from this. Let's go. We are live. So, back on the weekly opening 952. Have you guys traded this? Have you guys traded this? I don't want to call it a mess. I'm going to call it a opportunity. Oh, yeah. Missed the pump. Looked away for the moment. Some good news, Badger. Here we are. This was a type of a pump to pass Lucid Pro. So, you guys got it. You guys got to pass Lucid. Lucid, no consistency. Here we go, Lucid Pro. No consistency. Good morning, good day. Thank you so much, guys. Lucid Pro is 40% off. 40. No consistency and no daily loss limit. Oh my gosh. Even the 150k. Wow. I guess I should have traded this. I got late for about 2-3 minutes. Should have started the streaming earlier. But we were reading with the kids. We were doing things with the kids. Oh, look at that. Fixing my take profit. Good job, guys. Congratulations. Congratulations. Now, for those of you that are sitting high on the adrenaline because of the pump we had and the money you've made or lost, you want to slow it down. You want to slow it down, please. We're going to trade Blusky, and we have a ton of accounts. Oh my gosh, look at that. The candle is not even fitting. Ha 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 ha. Oh. We're going to trade FundedSeat. We have great accounts sitting here. FundedSeat with Blusky. Oh, yeah. We have evaluations of 200k, guys. Evaluations on Blusky. For 200k static. I got the evaluation of 300k static on Blusky. 300k static. We have a $5,000 static drawdown. Here's the link for those of you that are interested for the Blue Sky. You got to sign up. We have different codes, all sorts of codes, but we're going to talk about it as usually. You know, we're trading Lucid, #1 prop firm in the space, and you guys know that. We're trading FundedSeat, which is a very good alternative. We're trading Top 1 futures as well with their elite daily accounts. We're trading the Blue Sky. We're trading Savius too whenever we've got time. So, yeah. Yes, there is a temporary problem with FundedSeat in the European countries. That's right, a temporary problem, which is going to be fixed. It's some regulatory stuff. But in the meantime, you want to go with the Blue Sky. That's the link. Oh yeah, we're taking the Propel accounts. For the Propel accounts on Blue Sky, the code is Scrembo30. We went ahead and grabbed a few 200k static. There's 200k static and 300k static. Surely. So we're gonna trade a 300k. This one, 300k static. Ha ha ha. Oh yeah. Daily payouts and no consistency once you become funded. Good morning, good day. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to invite your friends or your fellas, everyone that's into trading or would love to find out more about it. Inflation data is coming out. Enjoyable for the market. Enjoyable. No surprise we reacted with such pump. I'll look into today, maybe a little later. I'll be testing out a short. My 300k static, 21% consistency. Very good. Yeah. The 150k static and the 200k static from Propel. Remember, Propel code is Scrembo30 for Blue Sky. What do I expect today? Well, you have to zoom out. You got to zoom out and see the 4 hour. The 4 hour is attacking a form of resistance trending line from the upside. Is attacking those lower high structures. Lower high structures. We're attacking that, guys. Probably a confirmed breakout will be above 31,100s. There's no strength confirmed below that for a continuation towards the all-time high. Yet a 30,100s is opening the door for the all-time high discussion. Oh yeah. You want to be aware of that. Surely. Good morning, good day. Thank you so much for joining, guys. We're going to trade the big belly accounts on Lucid. We have 500 on Lucid. And 3 of them are ready for the payout. I've shorted the price action here. 11 micros. Short. Bring it down. I've DC'd, we're 16 micros short. If this level is not holding, we're going to be fine. I'll put stop loss trailing, break even, $36 profit. With our break even, there is a ton of liquidity here. Yeah, we got out $10 profit. This is so difficult, guys. So difficult to maneuver a such 5-minute candle. 1 minute candle at the end of the day. That weekly opening 950s. I don't think London is not gonna. I don't think New York session is not gonna make a new high. I don't think the high remains on the London today. Win today, exactly. Thank you so much, guys. Like the video. We need to collect minimum 180 likes. Keep that in mind. Minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. Otherwise, we don't do them. Testing out along from here. 30 micros. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining. 300K static drawdown. Look at that. Pretty close in touching the golden pocket here. Market is searching for enough liquidity to create a structure. I've also longed this one on my FundedSeat Bolt. On this account, we can target $2,000 for the profit. Oh yeah, I like this. I like this blue sky money we made. I sold partially, guys. I sold partially. And we're gonna be stop loss break even. We secured 350 bucks. And we're going to set a stop loss break even for the FundedSeat too. This is looking great so far. What's the max drawdown of 300K? 5,000 static. Good morning, Jake. What's up, buddy? Good day, Twister. Good job, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Oh, yeah. 20 cents on FundedSeat, trailing touched 390 on Blue Sky. That's the difference when you secure partial profits. It adds up. It adds up. Oh, look at that, Dre. You want to see lately? Oh, well, this is what's been going on lately. The last few days. Can't complain. And it's not a bug. It's not a bug. Is little and green. 45,000 on Friday. 8,000 yesterday. But we're working towards clearing that 2nd of July loss and having. Buenos dias. Buenos dias. You should have longed. Smash or pass. Smash or pass, Jake, today. You should have longed today with that move. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Better voice, better tea, better trading. 12 AC is out here. Playing smash or pass on the CPI. He passed. Probably he passed 10 accounts on Lucid. Did you? Did you went long on the move? You gotta do that. Che cosa? It's a great game. Good day. Oh, can you? Are you sure? No one is banning you. We're just having fun. Hey, good morning, Michelle. Good day, everyone. Great to see you on board, guys. Look at that. We're adjusting. We're adjusting slowly. We're adjusting slowly. The market is trying to create some sort of sense here. So if you're fine towards major risks, then join with us on board. What's 14th of July, the day of CPI smash and pass, 100% rate success for those of you that longed your CPI. Oh yeah. We had more than 300 points if you count from the 570s. Good morning, good day. Oh, Jake, you're missing out on the big money. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to invite your friends, buddies. Oh, look at that. Market's getting aggressive. This is static drawdown, so every single dollar I do earn is also additional drawdown for our... We got some... Blue Sky 200k static, 300k static from Propel. Great prices. Second pound approved on top one. Duck race win a while back. Oh, Fred. Look at that. Congratulations, buddy. Listen up, chat. Second pound approved from a tap one on the dock race. Second pound. Second pound from an account from the dock race. Congratulations. Good job, Fred. Good job. Oh, that's not a good sign, 12 AC. I would have not participated that journey. Seven from casinos. He's background in casinos. Congrats, Fred. He got his second pound from a giveaway account from the Tap One Futures, guys. Imagine. Imagine how valuable are the giveaway accounts. Imagine. A lot of the people say, well, it's not life-changing money. But you see, it's not peanuts when you get 1,000, 1,250, 1,500 on Lucid 2,000. You can do something from there and you can build something. And there is countries and citizens that work a year for $2,000. There is economies that work a year for $2,000. Yes, Fred is now green day trading 12 AC. He is going about a green day because of this. He got inspired from our Lucy dashboard. And now, having a good time with that, you see pounds are coming. So your 9 minis got to be switched towards green day somehow. Where's the green tea? The green tea's here. We had today close to a liter already. And we're going to have another one. Right? Close to... I'm surely we're going to actually cross 2 liters of green tea. I had no water today, guys. 0 water today. 0. zero water, zero alcohol, pretty much on the same level. It was just about green tea, so what do you expect my dashboard to look like? Exactly. I'm going to leave this page open, guys. You're going to trade a lot better seeing this. Oh, this is a slow plane in the markets. Slow pain. No matcha tea. No, no, no. Just Japanese green tea. And I like the British gunpowder. You guys know the gunpowder green tea. I like that. It's smoked. Weird, but smoked. It's just that I had no water today, but usually I'm having water, right? It's just that today it happens not to have water. It was an exception today. Keith, let me help you with that. Which account that you traded? Probably the Elite Access. Elite Access, Keith, 150,000, right? This column. Activation fee, 359. Keith. But you got this one quite cheap on what? 30 something. 39. Yeah. Good job, by the way. You're now funded. Congratulations, yep. Yeah, these are a little expensive from my opinion. The Elite Access, a little expensive. A little expensive from my opinion. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to experiment right now. Yeah. We got some great options on FundedSeat for instant funding. Instant funding bold FundedSeat. Let me send you the link here. No short at a top. This is risky. This is, you know, trying to create a proper market price action here. It is unpredictable, guys, unless you want to expose to big risks. FundedSeat instant funding. Well, here we go. Instant funding bold from FundedSeat is only 5% target. Daily payouts and no consistency from the second cycle. Very interesting. I'm done for today. Space Jam, congrats, buddy. You're not done till you win the giveaways, I'm telling you. You're only done when you secure 2 giveaways in a day. Who's writing me all sorts of silly proposals? I'm not promoting. Position. No, we're not promoting anyone. Get out of here. What do you think is happening? My gosh. Oh, nasty Nasdaq. Are you going to come back to... Golden pocket is not holding, But what about the reverse form of the pocket? The reverse form of the pocket is sitting around 700s. And we should attack that. 12 AC is running on slices today. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed. How many pays on FundedSeat until the... Oh, quite a few. Quite a few. Quite a few. Big Bear Carlos. Wow. What a retracement. We have giveaways of instant funding. We have giveaways of evaluations. We have from both. For example, our community member Fred had instant funding giveaways on Tap 1 Futures, and he managed to catch 2 payouts. He actually got his second payout approved today. It's very likely somehow going to be flying at the opening. But this is nasty, this whole retracement, I tell you. It's nasty. It's nasty. A lot of the people get trapped here hoping their longs will work. No, it's not good, Matty. That's a lot of money. It's not worth it. I'm testing out this 300k static. We have 200k static, 150k static. So we got a lot of static accounts to trade on. Six static accounts. Or 5? 6 or 5. 2 of 200k static from Blusky, 2 of 150k static, 1 of 300k. We're gonna navigate between the static drawdown of this one's. I'm shorting it. I am shorting it. The disadvantage with a static account is you make a lot of money. And you have to start thinking, where and how do you spend it? And this is going to distract you from trading. Right? That's the disadvantage. Oh, look at a 12 EC. He's got it. Exactly. That happened, right? 12 AC, that happened. And then you realize it's morning and you gotta wake up. Because you were dreaming. What static drawdown is, it means it never follows you. Static drawdown remains at the place you're buying it. Look at that. It's 200k static account, static drawdown. We have a $2,000 static drawdown, which means our max loss is 198. And it never trails. No. So we made 500 bucks. Profit in the first day, our drawdown becomes 2,500. It increases. Your static, it increases with every profit you do if it's static. Do you guys have tickets for tonight? France, Spain? $5,000, $7,000, $10,000 for a ticket. Who's spending $10,000 for tonight's show? France against Spain. Who's spending 10 grand or more? Probably 12 EC. He's the richest guy. Oh yeah. I had a retriever for 15 years. Since I was 3. So 12 AC. We got Spanish people here going for the match today. You saw the 300k VIP, you can invite 24 players. I thought about it for a second to do a giveaway and invite community members for free. 24 players. I'm going with France. I think France, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. So we have people from Spain, chicos. Big chances. Big chances right there. Big chances today. And the odds are good, guys. I guess you get... Ha ha ha. Spain scoring 3. Why are you so generous? What businesses you got in Spain? Never underestimate Spain. But it's not like the generation with Piqué, Xavi at the middle, right? You guys remember Xavi never losing a ball with Iniesta, never losing a ball. Piqué handling the defense with Casillas. You guys remember. Who else? Tell me more. Some good names. That was a better generation. I don't like this with Yamal and good player, but his attitude is nah. No me interesa. Nah. Bring it down. Bring it down. I have added additional bullets. I added additional bullets for another slide. 40 micros. The goalkeeper. We gotta do 5,000 here. How am I supposed to do 5,000 on 50 micros? They need a better striker. Oyarzabal is good, but I think there is room for better. They need a Zlatan. They need an R9 Ronaldo. They need a better Didier Drogba. This is what they need. A Didier. An Inzaghi. Where is Inzaghi right now? They need a Gattuso. They need some. Yes, in Italy. I've been 4 times in Ibiza. When I was a little younger. Pirlo. Pirlo is needed. Andrea Pirlo. Absolutely amazing. Oh. Oh, look at that, guys. I'm not focusing on the trades and I'm getting burned. This is a 300k account with static drawdown. We are getting burned on this pump. I have not traded the news. Cafu. I am not focused here and we're laughing and Scrembo is losing big time. Oh yeah. We have to do something. Exactly. That's right. Van Basten. Oh yeah, the Netherlands cannot be compared. Top level. Absolutely lovely bottom. Probably will have to get out here in a little loss. 1,800 loss, guys. But you know, a loss is first needed for you to be able to turn on the real engines of recovery. It's much tastier a recovery with profits than making directly profits. It's way better to first lose, recover, and make profits, then make money from the first shot. You know that. Feels better. So I'm going today for the feeling. Del Piero Cannavaro Totti. El numero 10. It's not sold as a choice. YRM Ernesto avoided because they're taking a month or more for the payout. I born in Hungary, in the capital city. Ernesto, we trade FundedSeat, Lucid, Blusky, much better choices. YRM is not solid. It was back in the day, but we've been saying for weeks, avoid YRM till the payouts resume. So we stopped trading YRM. What's up, guys? Exactly. Del Piero. Absolutely amazing. What else do you have, guys? Buffon. Gigi Buffon. Gigi. Argentina. You got to deal with England. If you can stop Harry Kane, if you can stop them scoring from balls hitting the cameras and the wires. You see, there's a petition made with 5 million people signed up for England not to qualify and to be disqualified, basically. 5 million people sign up the petition. We're going to do the YRM giveaway today. We're going to do that. And you're going to be the winner, 12AC. You will win that account. And then you're going to ask me when does the payout is completed every day. Oh, yeah. You'll cry about a payout on that one. Harry. He's needing that camera again. My secondary, yeah. And not native, but I've been up there in England for a few times. He's not native. I was for 2 years. One was kindergarten. My first year of kindergarten was in London. But first year, I only done a single year. Argentinos. They're gonna be mad. They're gonna be mad. Yeah, Roberto Baggio. Exactly. Not their fault. We guys expected, basically, to stop the game. Makes no sense. Referee has to stop the game. You don't stop the game when you won. They better know it, and they got that VAR. I wanted to see Mexico a little more, guys. Unfortunately, we didn't have Mexico for the semifinals. Mexico. That would have been a lot of celebration. I would have put out with a great dance here with you in a Mexico style. What a price action is this? I'm reshorting it, guys. I'm reshorting it. Thank you so much, by the way. I appreciate it. Exactly. It was fun to watch. Their players, Mexicans, are always arrabiata. Always. Their players are fired up. Which is not a bad thing for the sports. I am trading like Argentinos is playing football. First, red P&L, and then massively recovering and winning big time. You know, Fridays on Lucid are always 30-40 grand down. Fridays on Lucid. It's not Friday today, I'm not planning that. But the next Friday is going to be like that. 30-40 down, unrealized, we don't exit, we recover, and we end up in great profits. Oh, look at that, guys. We're making money. And I'm surprised. Oh. Wait for this. 1,000 profit. I'd love to see this one all the way back to 760s. Opening quant hour. I'm shorting my FundedSeat too. Oh, I like it. I like this. 1,300, 400 profit. Come on. I'm out here for the moment. I'm out here. 230 for the FundedSeat. That's good. That's good. And we're down 676 basically on Blusky. Recovered a lot, guys. Recovered a lot. And we're going to do some celebration for that. We got to fire up some volume here. Put some volume on the game. Ooh. Have to raise up Jake's productivity. Jake, you need a fireworks. You can't be productive without fireworks. You gotta listen to this. Again, 12AC starts with a defensive argument that the average age of the Italian team is 21.1, and he is using this as an excuse of the failure. So you guys want to tell me, how does numbers and age will basically... oh my gosh. The age is certainly not a form of solid argument. You can tell us the lack of abilities, the lack of sufficient skills. You guys have a guarantee that as soon as the age is increasing, the qualities will also increase. That's what you're assuming, and that's not always right. Right? That's not always right. That's what you're assuming, 12AC. If the average of the age is increasing, the quality will also increase, and that's false. We have the big belly Lucid. Yeah, I'm going to show that to you. Here's the big belly Lucid. Of course, we have both big belly Lucid accounts sitting around here. You can still trade them, Ernesto. You can still trade them. But there is a problem with the payouts. I still have the big belly accounts. Yes, I'm in the funded environment. Ha ha ha. Can you believe that? And not just explain, but bring out the truth. And make sure you get enlightened. You assume with the average age increasing, the quality will increase. False. False. The quality only might increase. Might increase. But certainly it's not. So it's a speculation. It's a little speculation there. Nah. Can only expect better results from your team if the opponents are decreasing their level. That's the way you will produce numbers. Ha ha ha. If you have a such game, it's going to be difficulties for Spain. Obviously, it's going to be in difficulties. But again, this is a choice, right? And they're not there because they lack the qualities. So I guess it's not the age that's playing. It is the abilities and the qualities. And if you would have the ability to put in a 25, 26 average, you would do that, but you lack that possibility. I think the exercise of refreshing the team with a new generation is too aggressive, and you have to do it aggressively when you don't have a choice. And that might be the case there. Where are your academies? You don't have academies there. Where are your academies? You don't have academies, do you? What are your citizens doing, youngsters? Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Our big belly account is sitting around here. Let me connect my 200k static in a copy trading. Good day, good morning. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. No video giveaway today. We had it yesterday. 30 micros. Indeed. Depends on your target. Yeah. I mean, I wish to trade on the static accounts higher contracts. I'm used to 10 minis from Lucid. I like that. Look at us. We pretty much undercut. Viola Park. From Fiorentina. Indeed. We're gonna get green. Here, we're gonna get green. It's a matter of time. Time is playing in my advantage. Exactly. Market's bouncing off, but certainly not. Oh, look at the crypto is moving, guys. Big time. Cryptos are... Oh, yeah. Ethereum is moving, and I'm not loaded up. I sold my Ethereum 2-3 weeks ago, and I have not loaded up yet. Market's opening in 6 minutes. Make sure to invite, fellas. Invite the community members. Oh, Jake Henry. Jake is around here. He's listening. He's listening. Your brother is listening. And working. Oh. Dollar collapsing. Are we gonna start a downtrend for the dollar? Guys, we have 85 likes. At this rate, we're not gonna do the giveaways today. Remember my words. I'm great. Thank you. Having a good time here. Shorting the price section. Look at that. 30 micros. 40 micros. We'll be also shorting it here. 45 micros. We have the 5-minute algo. Starting soon. Five-minute algo starting in a few seconds, guys. You better watch out. Oh yeah, lovely. So the algo pumped me. Damn. Bring it back. The algo pumped me. Instead of a massive dump. Yeah, fake pump. But you know, sometimes not every account is a big belly. Look at that. I will also open up my trade on 200k static. Yeah. From here. Reshorting. 15 micros, 200k static, 15 micro short. I'd like to get out of this short before the opening starts. Hope everything's fine on your side, Jake Henry. Hope everything's fine. Because this nasty Nasdaq is not making my way. We're not supposed to see these green candles without retracements, are we? We have a daily loss here on FundedSeat of 1,000. I set it up. I am wrong on this daily stop losses set by me. I gotta switch that up, guys. Reshorting on the other. They are denying me the possibilities of recovering and the fluctuations I need. 3 minutes to go, and it's not looking good for my shorts. Bring it down, at least below 780s. Chicos. Oh my God. This is so freaking bad. The other 300K is down a lot. It's 4,000 down. I'm out of this. 4,300. Oh, look at that one. Unbelievable skim. Supply. Oh my gosh. And now it's coming back. Wow. This is going to be a huge mess, guys. This is going to be a huge mess on the opening. Imagine. I have a 5,000 drawdown there. This is so bad. Look at that. Market's coming all the way back. So it just managed to take me out. We'll try to recover that. Good morning, good day, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, everyone. 1 minute to go for this one. I gotta get out of my short. 563 profit on my Lucid, one of the funded accounts. 563. The other big belly accounts are down. I'll be out of this blue sky. 310 profit from this blue sky. I'll be out of this FundedSeat 277. The opening is going to be crazy. The only accounts I'm not going to be out for the moment. No, actually let me get out of everything. Which means even from the big belly accounts, let me get out. Yeah. Big belly, we lost 1,100. It's fine. Let me start this thing properly. Better flat. And here's the bell. Here's the bell. Here's the bell. Still watching this. Let's see if we can do something interesting. Our bulls are missing out. They're very, very weak. Yeah. Testing out along, guys. 10 minis. Testing out. Lovely, right? Out for the moment. Out from the other one too. This is down 400. The other one is down 455. Well, the good part is we made money on the static drawdown, copy trading, 1,110. I'm happy for that one, guys. On Blue Sky, static drawdown, 200k account, 1,110 profit. Copy trading on both. Yeah. It's hard to trade this. Really hard, guys. Look at that. All those wicks. Market is not really happy. I'm testing out a short. With a limit order right there. 694 limit order on my short. We'll see if it works. It's risky. We also got in a short for my Blue Sky. Can you pressure this lower? Stop loss break even. Oh, we got lucky there. Look at that. How lucky we got there. And probably we're going to touch the target. Yeah, I'm going to get out. Lovely profits made there. 1,500. And beautiful ones here. 5,000, 6,000. Come on. $6,000 profit. I'm out here. Overall 4,100. That's great. But I'm very happy about our Blue Sky 200k static copy traded on 2 accounts. Totally. Very dangerous. Not trading at the moment with FundedFutures family. I've been researching the company back in the day. We have the reversed golden pocket here, which I don't think I should trust at the moment. But I would see levels around 650s very interesting, guys. Look at that. $650s. I'll be testing to re-short this. A few contracts. You want to short the low. You don't want to short the low. Yeah, intraday is very difficult. It's like a waste of time, intraday. Yeah, so intraday is extremely difficult, intraday. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see if the bulls... Yeah. Bulls are here. 242 stop loss. Not an issue. I've reshorted. I'll be hunting for a $2,000 target. Probably our stop loss is going to be touched. Yeah. $400. Yeah, so the risk for the upside is there. Which is why trading is beautiful. Testing out a short from here. Beautiful. Oh. Looks like you can only be right for a few seconds here. And then it goes against you. Yeah. Fully got out. Accepted a temporary loss. Was not the best entry with that movement. The reverse golden pocket of this structure is reacting perfectly, guys. Perfectly. Very interesting, I would say. That's impressive. Very risky. Pump and dump. CPI. Natural language. $9.38 on FundedSeat. I'm great with that. I'll take that. Things could actually go quite aggressive here. I'm questioning and wondering. Yeah. I am questioning and wondering. How aggressive are they gonna be here? Algo is there, and I will be testing along. 15 micros long here. And probably I'm gonna long my big belly accounts too. Yeah, I've longed all of them. Not all of them, but 2 big belly, 1 funded. Let me see what's happening with the 4th funded. Oh, beautiful profits here. So this account is not traded because we have the payout secured in this one, guys. Let me show that to you. Payouts are fully secured on that one. Damn. Look at that. Funded stage. Lucid flex 150,000. We got the music. Payouts is secured. We actually have 6 days. The first day was 4,929, then nicely adjusting and continuing. So I'm not going to continue trading this one. Basically, it's the 3rd ready for payout. We have the 2 big belly that are ready. This one is the 3rd ready for the payout. This one should be the 4th, and we have to work on it. We have to work on it. We have to work on it. Wouldn't be bad to DCA again, but it's risky. If we don't get to move hard, I'll pay a big price, which I'm not really liking. I got out of this one down 644. A daily VWAP 600. Daily VWAP 600. Very, very close to the weekly VWAP, so they might want to connect that. They might want to connect the dots. It's just a few points between the weekly and daily. And in terms of the visual part, this is the place it's located. Also, the 200 EMA on the 5 minute is there. Yeah. There's a lot of confluences down there. A lot of them. Which could be a reason to front run. Yeah, so today I lost basically an account. The 300k static. We lost it today. I'm out of this one, made profits, 215, but this was up 1,400. Gave it all back. Oh, we're making money on the big belly in a nice fashion. We're making money on the big belly in a nice fashion, guys. $8,000. You gotta wait a little bit, Bip Guru. Just wait a little bit. And avoid this massive volatility. Today we lost an account. Blue Sky 300k static. Made 1,000 on FundedSeat. Lovely. And we're going to trade a fresh FundedSeat we have. I'm longing it, guys. I'm going for the breakout on the upside. 837 my target here. And I'm kind of doing the same thing for my blue sky. There is confluence, which is a good reason to front run. Yeah. Oh, damn, retracement. Wow. What are you up to with all this weakness? We had a very good chance to force the move above 840s with that momentum. A very good chance to force that freaking move. Yeah. Come on, run. Run. We should not be rejected on this one, guys. This is an opportunity here. That's valuable if we have the pressure. You're gonna reach out on Discord. You're probably writing to the wrong person on Discord. There's a lot of scammers on Discord, and you got into the hurricane of the scammers. Damn. I need certainly a bulls to step in here and build. This is a decent situation. Our entry is not the best for this 2 minis. It's not an A+. It's not even an A entry. If I get rejected here, there's a strong continuation, and that's pretty bad for the downside in my long here on the 2 minis. But at the same time, if this is nicely crossing that 830s, we're gonna have a nice ticket. Nice ticket. Chicos. Market's building liquidity both sides. And it is going mad. I'm gonna get mad if this is not holding. I don't like it. Yeah, the next one, it is very heavy. The next 5-minute candle better be green. Oh, lovely. We touched our target on our FundedSeat fresh instant funding bold, 1,000. We have 101. Then here we're trying to get to our 2,000 on the 200k static, targeting $2,000. Look at that. Oh my gosh. The entry of my 2 minis here, it's so freaking bad, this entry of 2 minis there. It's exact on touch with the sizes. I was 40 or 50 micros on that FundedSeat. A lot. That's why I made enough with just a few points. We were 40, 50 micros on that FundedSeat. Oh, Pip Guru. 8,400 Lucid evaluation. Which one? Lucid Pro? Or Lucid? I mean, 150k. You only needed about $600 more. What's wrong with... Oh. 12 AC is putting out the graphic. Look at that. Oh my gosh. We're getting rejected here, guys. My 2 minis is nasty. The 2 minis is nasty from here. We gotta hit the likes, guys. We gotta hit the likes. Minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. And we have about 20 minutes for that. Keep that in mind. It is, but I don't like this drop. So on FundedSeat, we made 1,000 on 3 accounts. And we lost 1,000 on 1. We traded 4 on FundedSeat. That's the outcome. For Blusky, we have lost an account and a valuation of 300k. And have not made anything on the other. No profits yet. We're still in the trades. We need some strength here, guys. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful move, I can tell you. And this one can last. If we finally cross that 790s. Give me that crust for 790s. Make sure to join the giveaways, guys. Here's the link to sign up. $300,000 sharing today for prop firms. Oh, this is looking great. This candle right now, this one, will decide. Will be decisive. We need 2,000 bucks here, guys. Our drawdown is going to become 4,000. Right, the first day of the static drawdown profits are very important. We're gonna double our drawdown. From 2,000 to 4,000. Oh my gosh, I don't want to see that hammer here. No. Unbelievable. It was a few points away from hitting our target of $2,000. This is so freaking bad. Look at that. Wow. Oh my. It's not giving me. Extremely choppy here. Come on. Double green candle, and we're fine. Double green candle, no rejection below 65. No rejection. Keep it strong. Keep it strong, guys. No rejections below 65, and we have decent chances to attack the field. Next candle gotta be green, just like this one. We don't want to see rejections, refusals like the one. No. Stay above the 60s, and we're fine. Stay above the 60s. Damn. Look at that. Incredible. Every single little touch is knocked down. Yeah, we have our Lucid trades running nicely. I like Lucid Pro funded stage because it's no scaling. I like it, guys. I like it because it's no scaling. Come on, just a little more. We're pretty smooth here. Beautiful. This is our 5th fresh funded. Look at that. 5th fresh funded. A Lucid Pro funded, the 5th funded. The big belly accounts are making money, but this fresh funded is about to do. I'm selling 50% here. I'm trailing for the rest of the 2 minis profit and leaving the rest of it open, guys. Wow. Come on. I sold 10 contracts here from the trade, guys. We had to do it. We'd been suffering a lot on this Blue Sky 2000. Oh. Probably with 10 minis. This is Lucid Pro funded stage, this account you're watching, guys. $3,000 in our first day. First day. We had 8 contracts, 8 minis at the time this trade was opened. 8 minis. And I had some partial exits. Got a little tilted, right? That's a little out of control. 8 minis on your first trade funded account. We've been trying to have 5 ready for payout for a while. And it's getting on my nerves already. So we're having 3 ready for the payout on Lucid. Lucid Pro is having buffer and you cash out above the buffer. I've DC'd in my Blue Sky. I've DC'd in my Blue Sky, guys. Let's see. I've DC'd in my Blue Sky. I doubled up. Oh, that's so close. Yes, 2,000 target is hit, guys. Copy traded. 2,000, so $4,000. Which means that's our drawdown. 4,000 is the drawdown, is the new drawdown. Boom! This is Scrembo and fire. 202. So you're starting off. Oh, what a lovely exit. The whole thing is been denied. Beautiful. Let me get out of this things, guys. Let me get out of this things. 2,900 first day Lucid Pro funded stage. That's absolutely great. Boom. Back synchronized. Big belly is going to remain open. The big belly accounts will remain open, guys. Yeah, we got buffer for that. We got buffer for that. Big belly will stay open. But I'm very happy about my Blue Sky Propel 200k static. Let's go, Peter. So for Blue Sky, gap up all day. Hard to say, buddy. Very hard. Have a look into this chart. Have a look into this. There is a massive confluence on the 620s. Weekly VWAP, daily VWAP. There are 200 EMA there. So they might want to touch 620s. I'm going to round trip with my big belly. I don't mind if it goes down. 30 minutes. So you were doing 10 minis, Pep Guru. I guess you were trading the 150k. Blue Sky drawdown alert. My 300k static, the one I told you, that's the only account we lost today. It's not an issue here with a big belly, guys. Do not get scared about the numbers we've got here. You know that there is no problem being down 40-50k. No problem at all. Because sometimes, for me, it is a must. But I'm highly enthusiastic, you know, on my $2,000 profit made for the 200k static. 2 accounts we've got, copy trading. So instead of Propel 200k, instead of 2,000 drawdown, we're now having 4,000 drawdown. I like this thing. We have a profit goal of 6,000, and then the buffer is 3,000 in the funded stage. So anything above the buffer, we're going to be able to make daily payouts. Anything above the buffer. Having 200k account with a 3k target on the buffer, anything above that is daily payouts, and anything above that is no consistency. It's kind of juicy. We have 34% consistency on this evaluation, 34. So I should not cross about 2,000 bucks. Which is the case. We made 2019. I think we're fine. It is also time to trade our 150 static from Blue Sky. We loaded up on 5 accounts, 2 of 200k static, 2 of 150k static, 1 of 300k. That's gone. Propel. Unlimited users 30% off. Scrembo 30 is the code for Propel on Blue Sky. With Blue Sky we have 3 different codes. It's weird, but that's the way it works with them. Yeah. Hard price section. Oh yeah. Let me set up my copy trader. 2x 150k. Yeah, I'm willing to long my 150k, but gotta be careful because you know the max loss is 1,000. Static 1,000. I'm kind of used to much bigger numbers. I sold partially. No, actually I bought partially instead of selling. I DC'd instead of selling. I sold partially right now. I'm putting a stop loss and break even. We got a little lucky with that. 223 profit. Look at that, guys. So instead of selling partially in minus, we DCA'd and recovered and made profits. Happens. This could actually attack the level of 618, 620s. Right, that one could be attacked. Keep in mind for the giveaways, we gotta touch minimum 180 likes. That was so close on getting funded, Pip Guru. Sorry to hear that, buddy. Damn. That must have been massively unluck, because it's very rare to... I mean, it's not often, right? What are the chances? Small chances. Exactly 12 AC. This is the fortune that arrived. We're 17,000 down on the big belly. 17,000. I've cut my position by half on both accounts, and I'm gonna DCA a little lower. Maybe around 600. Yeah. So I accepted a partial loss and will be DCing on 600s. 5 minis. Right there. And I got my limit order on the blue sky as well. 612. Let's see, guys. Here we go. Ha 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 ha. Sure. You guys will be updated with the giveaways. Don't be worried. Hey, good day. Welcome, everyone. Good to see you guys. Thank you so much for joining. Streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time with daily giveaways and a lot of education. A lot of good things next to the wrong things that I do. Both should be utilized by our audience and powerful community as strong learning materials. I don't want to see this level holding. You know, I'm not that happy with that. I'm not that happy with this buying pressure that stepped in here, guys. I must be honest with you. Yeah. We DC'd and made money. 558 bucks, and I'll take that. 558 on our blue sky 150k static. So our drawdown increased from 1,000 to 1,558. We're gonna re-hit our longs here and wait. He is extremely wise. This is this kind of guidance comes on his experience, probably, right? 12 AC, that's the way to follow through your risk management. What a guidance. Is the only functional way for you to kind of respect the levels. But I'll tell you something. Depends how heavy is the hammer. That's the most important part, 12 AC, that you missed out. Which kind of shows things that you gotta think between the lines. How heavy is the hammer? If it's just 5 milligrams, it's zero effect. Exactly. Good for me that I didn't had those. I had no contact with that. Just a little language, little. Just like probably the least known language for me is that one. Oh, come on, Badger. The prop firms want you to trade. The prop firms want you to trade, Badger. They don't want you to sit out. They want you to make money. Yeah. 10 mini madman. Mini is not supposed to be scary, right? I mean, they should call it maxi, not mini. I guess it's a trap, right? They call it mini and it's like maxi. When you tell someone that never traded and has no idea about the contracts, and you say, we're trading 10 minis and we're doing this, we're doing that, they're not feeling the risk. If you would say we're trading the maxis, that would be something, right? But the minis is it's comfortable psychologically and it hits you hard. Smallest size. No, I don't think you 12AC. I don't see that 12AC on my dashboard. No, I don't see that on my dashboard. If you would do, I would feel that. I would feel that, but you're not doing it. Ha ha ha. Yeah, minis is a wrong thing. We're waiting for the long. 5 micros. And we're also waiting on this side on 5 minis. They do it for the mind game, exactly. Ten trades is a lot. You gotta click your target in 2 trades or a single trade. On FundedSeat today, from 4 accounts traded, 1 touched a daily loss of 1,000 that I set. It's not max loss, nothing near to that. And the other 3 accounts made 1,000 on max contracts. So the odds are on my side. I'm only going for a few points. A single trade, a few points. Probably micros. But I'm going to start on personal funding, a journey. I told you we're going to start it at some point. Personal funds, we're going to trade, guys, differently like we trade with the props. Because you don't pay $300 for a $4,500 draw. Now look at that. Can you get a little lower? Yeah. I'll take my long from here. Beautiful 10 minis filled up on Lucid. 10 minis. Nicely. Whole thing has been filled up. Now I need this thing to bounce. Massive confluence at this level. Massive. I like to do another $450 and I'm out of this. Live and personal, exactly. We're going to do a challenge. We're going to try to have a value which is not anything crazy and show people that it's possible from a 5,000, 10,000, 20, 25, whatever value we start, I'd like to start on a value which is very difficult, but it's also budget friendly for the majority of the traders. And see how we can do from 5 to 50. Or from 10 to 100. Right? Something like that. A journey like that. From 10 to 100, from 5 to 50, from 25 to 250, a journey like that. $29,500 you're dreaming about, just like you're dreaming with the nurses. Ha 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 ha. You're gonna get stubbed out. You're gonna get stubbed out. I mean, depends on the margin, depends. Probably 1 or 2 micros. 1 or 2 micros. AMP futures allows you, and I have Quantower there. Right, so a budget that's kind of friendly with a trader, and see how we can make that in a lovely journey. Where are the bulls? I've DC'd a little. Yeah. $6.36 for my exit here, guys. I'm watching this comfortable. I'm watching this comfortable. Exactly. That's crazy, Mr. Knife. You had a good time there. Thank you, Fred. Thank you. Oh, beautiful move. Beautiful move. Oh, yeah. About to hit the target. About to hit the target. Come on. This is going to be very important. Because it doubles my drawdown. If we hit the target, it doubles my drawdown. 636, come on, guys. Oh, 90, beautiful. We touched the target, copy traded. Let me get out from Lucid. We have some of the good trades there unfunded. This one, 2,900. Oh, yeah. Don't worry about the big value accounts, they're gonna be fine. But we made a lot of money, guys, on important ones. Celebration time, celebration. Oh, this is great, guys. We've been for the right moment there. Celebration. Boom. Boom. All the 4 accounts on Blusky. The 200k static, 2,000 profit, which means the drawdown doubled. The 150k, 1,000 profit, which means the drawdown doubled. And then we made a lot of money. Oh, that's interesting, Dr. Kula, interesting. So let me share with you. We haven't traded this one on Lucid because this is already at the stage of PAL. Plus the 2 big belly, and this, we have 3 accounts ready. The next one is this. 3,000 today, not the first day. A Lucid Flex. We have 154. We need 1,900 extra, and we're ready for PAL. For max PAL. And then this, a funded Lucid Pro, the only Pro between 4 flexes. 2,900 today, first day. Looking great. Looking great. Finally, all the 5 accounts are sitting in a very, very comfortable situation. 100k pro. Good luck with that one, Pape Guru. There is a big difference between live and funded. Usually the trading conditions and the limitations with the live stage, you don't have a cap on the cash out. So if you're making 50k in a day, you take that out. But obviously to make 50k in a day, you probably have to trade for a very long period of time and build your balance and be able to deploy margin and sizing. So it's extremely hard. I have right now 3 flexes ready for the payout of 150k, which is $9,000. 1 more flex, which is under preparation, and 1 pro. So totally we have 4 flexes, 1 pro on Lucid. Pretty good day, guys, in trading for me today. Pretty good day. We only lost a single account on evaluation. We've lost $1,000 on a FundedSeat daily stop loss limit, and that's it. We've made a lot of money on the other accounts, on many other. 4 in Blusky, 3 in FundedSeat, that's 7 accounts in profit. Max profit of the day. 2 Lucid on profit, and the big bellies are down. We're gonna do the giveaways soon. We gotta hit minimum 180 likes. I guess Badger needs to leave today, so he's not gonna be here, but we're gonna fix that, and we're gonna do the giveaways without Badger. No worries. I got the equipment, guys. No worries. Good job, Ronin. Ronin got paid from videos. Oh, what a funny discussion on Discord. Go up. We're sitting on fire. We still have to recover because we had a partial loss. An accepted partial loss. Instead of working with fixed daily losses, I like to work with partial losses that I accept at levels I desire. I think that is way more dynamic and attached to the behavior of the market. Yes, you need to fill up the form every day. Here's the link, guys. Fill up the form. The giveaway starts very, very soon. In a few minutes. And you also want to be part of our Discord community. With the market looking great, could be a strong higher low with the momentum all the way. All the way, I would target, guys, nonetheless, 780. Look at that, beautiful. Oh yeah. What is he posting again? 780. Let's go over to 780 liquidity. Minimum 780, but we should go well above 840s, and I'm gonna hold on to my long. Come on, guys. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Be right back in 2 minutes. Hope this is not going to be a supply here. Confirmed supply. Be right back in 2 minutes, guys. This is looking great. Scrembos and fire. Proctors. I'll bring my shark, guys. I'll bring my shark. Scrembos and fire. Proctors getting terrified. guys, how's it going? Whew. What happened, guys? Why are you laughing? Trade evade is good. I was out. I was out. I don't know what happened here, guys, in the office. No idea. Is it going up? Someone moved my tools here, my keyboard and stuff. Someone... Did you guys saw something weird? I don't even have a take profit here. I don't need it. We don't run take profits. This is gonna go all the way to 840s. You know, my take profit is 30 grand. I'm not getting out of this without 840s. 30 grand, look at that. I'll do the same thing for the other account. 830 is 29 grand on this one. It's the only way I'm gonna exit. You guys like this, right? You guys like this? We're gonna smash through that. I've told you today, I don't think the today's high is left for the London session. I think New York session is gonna attack that. So 920 is in the book. Weekly opening 952. Maybe I should target that. Maybe I should be a little greedy here on my trade and not get out at 30 grand and go about the 900s. What do you guys think? Maybe 897. Go for the 900s. Let's do that. 897. $40,000 on this one. 42 grand. The other one is going to be... Yeah, 42,000 profit would be. 896, 897. Thank you, Badger. Have a great one. See you soon, buddy. Thank you. Yes, we're doing giveaways. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, we're doing giveaways. In 2 minutes. Oh! Oh! Do not dare to deny. No, no, no. Don't deny this. Don't deny this. Keep it running. Oh. Don't deny this move. Keep it running. Oh my gosh. The 830s would have hit, guys. 830s would have hit. 830s would have hit, guys. As soon as I told you I need to increase my take profit, this is moving. Not even having a stop loss, not needing it for the moment. Lovely doll candle, keep it up for the 896. Giveaways will start. Giveaway will start. Giveaways will start in a minute. Alright guys, so get ready for the giveaways. Like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord, complete the form. The 4 different things you gotta do. The 4 different things we gotta do. Good day, very good day in trading for me. Very good day. We're gonna keep the trade open. We're gonna keep that trade open in the background, and it's time for giveaways. It's time for giveaways. We're gonna get started, guys. Come on. Good job, Pip Guru. Good job. You see, you can do nice money. You can trade nicely, buddy. At some point, you gotta stop with the profits if you want to keep them. Congratulations, guys. A lot of you passed on this move for the upside. Make good money. Caps off. Turn off the caps on writing. Good game. Listen up, fellas. Starting the giveaways. Starting the giveaways. Yeah, I've been only looking for something here. So we're gonna start off with Lucid is no activation. No activation, Lucid. No, 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 no. I'll keep that secret. Magic Doll is gonna make us a lot of money in the next days. You guys will see that. You just have to trust me. So, first giveaway, 150k totally, from 3x 50k Blusky accounts. 3 accounts from Blusky, 3 of 50k. You gotta guess the number. It's a simple game, yet very efficient, makes a lot of money. And it's lovely. Market's running for the upside. I'm looking at the big belly accounts. And I like it. Where are we? Here. Beautiful. So listen up, guys. Listen up, guys. Listen up. Only a single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times and play dirty. Oops. Let me refresh that. No trade of 8. We have not traded trade of 8 today. Bear with me for a second. It's not that easy. We got to make sure everything is ready here for the giveaway. Alright, guys, so few choices. Zero, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. 0, 1, 2, 3. Let me know your best choice. 0, 1, 2, 3. Come on, guys. Your best choice is needed. Our Lucid trade is up $21,000. Look at that. And we're 13 grand total P&L profit. Only a single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Between 0 and 3. $21 is great, but I think for the upside, easy to cross that 800, and we could unleash some of the lovely liquidity from the higher levels. We had some realized losses. I don't think we should be stuck on 800s. I don't think that. But we'll see. It is a risk I'm taking. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Yeah, Alright guys, so best of luck everyone. We had to shuffle this. We're running hot. Most of the time it's good to go flat and search for a better entry. Most of the time it's a good idea. It's going to be number 2, guys. I think it's number 2. I don't know if Jake is here, but we got it with number 2. Congratulations for the winners. That's an absolute number 2. Congratulations for the winners. Good job, guys. Congratulations. Look at that. Congratulations. Good job. Number 2 for the winners. This is the first giveaway. Good job, Kim. Ducks are trained, but you're not guessing the numbers. You gotta have a training for that one too. You gotta do some bettings. Alright, so what do we gotta do? Yeah, we gotta do some duck races with all the winners. Oh yeah. $43. 30 seconds competition time. Best of luck, guys. Top 3 is winning. Yep. Very likely they're going to advance. Very likely. It's going to be a surprise if it's different. Vidlichuk. Vidlichuk, Ron B, and Trader Greg. Look at that one. These are the top 3. Hopefully you guys completed the form. We're going to find it out in a matter of a minute. Hope you got to fill up the form. Let's see. Let's see. So first one is Vidlichuk. Yes, congratulations, 50,000 Blue Sky. Congratulations. Ron B. Yes, congratulations confirmed. And then Trader Greg. Trader Greg is here as well. Congrats, buddy. Good job. Good job. You gotta reach out to me on Discord. The next one is going to be the Lucid giveaway. The next one is going to be the Lucid giveaway. I know you like this. I know you guys like this. And we're gonna have multiple entries, but it's just a few numbers. Camera shows up nicely right now. I think it recovered. Was a problem with the connection. So listen up, guys, for the numbers. Listen up. 00, a single 1, and a single 2. Let me know your best choice. Come on, start right now. 00, single 1, single 2. That's all you gotta do. Keep them coming. 00, single 1, single 2 for a 50,000 Lucid Pro. Lucid Pro. Nasdaq retracing a little. We still have 10,000 profit, but that's no longer 21. Yeah. The resistance is heavy around that level. Way heavier than expected. Not an issue. We're gonna sort it out. You want to stop right there? No more guesses, it's over. No more guesses. It's over. Shuffle, we're good to go. Green day. Well, this is a Lucid Pro 50,000. Yeah. Could be that red zero. Could be. Could be that red zero, guys. Congratulations, it is the red zero. Congratulations for the winners. We have a ton. 86. 30 seconds competition time. The best ranked is going to go for the 50,000 Lucid Pro. Congratulations. Come on, guys. Let's go. Go! Here we are. We got the winner. I was watching something else, but we got the winner. Congratulations. Palm Tree Trader, you got this, buddy. Palm Tree Trader. Ha ha ha. Congratulations. Did you fill out the form? Palm Tree Trader, here you go. Good job. Good job. 50,000 Lucid Pro goes to your pocket. Finally. Finally. Next time you gotta pick up another one. Because this giveaway is gonna have a ton of accounts. We're gonna have 3 accounts in this one. 3. First will be Top 1 Futures, 25,000 Elite Daily. Second rank will be 25k FundedSeat Flex. And the third rank will be 50k YRM. These are the 3 accounts we're having in this one. And that sums up 100k here, plus 200 we gave out. It's 300,000. Get ready for the numbers, guys. Get ready. Get ready for the numbers. We're going to have a single 0, single 1, and double 2. That's it. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Single 0, single 1, double 2. Let me know your best choice, guys. Come on. Good luck, everyone. A single guess per person. No spamming. No. Market's retracing a lot. This is dirty. So dirty. So dirty. We still have our longs. And we're going to hold them. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. shuffle, and here we go. I like this move. 720s. It's gonna be the 0. You direct message me on Discord. Palm tree. It's gonna be the 0. That's why the paddle shows me Nasdaq trading on 740s. I have not exited from my longs yet. I think it's the 0, guys. Single 0, single 1, double 2, 0. We got 2 zeros today. 2 freaking zeros. We were on break even earlier, and now we're up 10,000 on the big belly. Congratulations. Congratulations for the winners. That's another 0. I bet you were not expecting this. Dark Trader, I see your name. Destiny, I see your name. 49, 30 seconds competition time. Keep in mind we're giving out 3 accounts in this race. The first one is a Top 1 Futures Elite Daily. Second one is a FundedSeat, 25,000 Flex. Third one, 50k YRM. Best of luck, everyone. We had a very, very good trading day. Oh yeah. Few seconds to go. Randy Roten speeding up and winning this one. Randy for the Top 1 Futures. Congratulations. Here you go. Feo Badentia is the winner, is the second ranked, which is great, and Linda the third rank. These are the top 3 with Jip Smith right behind. Oh. Congratulations, guys. So, Randy Ruton. Randy, do you have the form? Yes, congratulations, you're confirmed. Feo Badentia. Feo Badentia is here. Congratulations for the FundedSeat, 25,000 Flex. And Linda Forever for the YRM. Linda Forever is here, fully confirmed. Congratulations, good job. Good job, guys. Great. That was great. That's pretty much where we are. Our long is still intact, and I'm gonna show the P&L. I'm not closing it. Not closing it yet. I told you, this is what I'm targeting, guys. You want to watch out. I am targeting this. This is what I'm targeting, guys. This is what I'm targeting for my long on the big belly accounts. You guys will ask me tomorrow what happened and what's the final P&L. Our longs are still active. There you go. Plus we have this one I'm going to get out. This is another fund that we have. 6,000 made. 157 totally. Probably we also touched the payout level needed with this one. Yeah, it's 156 because this is flex. So we're going to have 4 ready for payout soon. The big bellies are making good money, but we're going to still hold them. 16,000 plus. We're going for the yellow bucks, guys. Yellow bucks, my target. You guys will see tomorrow what happened. Thank you once again. Looking forward to it on Discord. Have a lovely, beautiful, and a peaceful day. Take care, guys. Thank you once again for joining.